Today I will be making Tortang Talong. These are the ingredients: 4 pieces eggplant, 2 pieces raw eggs, 1 teaspoon salt, 6 tablespoons of cooking oil. These are the procedures. Grill the eggplant until the color of skin turns almost black. Let the eggplant cool for a while, then peel off the skin. Set aside. Crack the egg and place in a bowl. Add salt and beat. Place the eggplant on a flat surface and flatten using a fork. Dip the flattened eggplant in a beaten egg mixture. Heat the pan and pour the cooking oil. Fry the eggplant. Make sure that both sides are cooked. Frying time will take you about 3 to 4 minutes per side on medium heat.